In this video, I'm going to talk about how to evaluate relations. Alright, so before you can evaluate relations, you need to understand the following. Now, understand that 3am, okay, is the same as 3 times a times m. 5xy is the same as 5 times x times y. Okay, now let's understand the following. Now, when you see minus 2, okay, all squared, minus y without bracket to the power of 18, minus 1 or to the power of 5, then minus 2 without bracket. So this side, no bracket here, and we have bracket here. We are going to observe the difference here. So pay attention. Now, understand that a squared, okay, a squared is seen as a times a here, okay, but minus a squared is not the same as minus a times minus a. Let's be very careful here. So this one is the same as minus 1 times a squared. It means minus 1 times a, which will be minus, okay, minus a squared. All right, so if I put minus a in a bracket like this, okay, and I squared, it means everything all squared. So this time I can say minus a times minus a, and that will be a squared, positive. Okay, so let's understand the following terms. Okay, now with this, remember we have minus 2 all squared. So this one is seen as minus 2 times minus 2. And therefore, the final answer will be 4, positive. Okay, it will be positive. All right, now here the case there is no bracket here. Okay, the negative will still be there, even though this side is 4, so that will be minus 2. Okay, sorry, minus, we can say minus out or minus 1 times, so this one 2 to the power of 4, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 1 2 3 4. So that will be 2 to 4, 4 to 8, have 16, so minus 16. So understand that if there is no bracket here, okay, you just bring the minus 1 out, then you deal with the rest. Okay, so let's talk about this one more. Let's do more light on it. So minus 3 squared minus 2 squared minus 5 squared, okay, minus 3 all squared minus 4. Okay, so let's bring more big powers. Minus 7 to the power of 10 minus 3 to the power of 17. Now we want to look at the nature of the following, how they are going to be. Okay, so let's look at the situation whereby there is no bracket. Now we've already explained that if there is no bracket, we can bring minus 1 out, so minus 1 times, so we have this 3 squared 9. Okay, we have minus 1 out, 2 squared 4, so minus 1 times 4. You have minus 1 times 25, that will be minus 25 minus 4 minus 9. All right, so if there is no bracket, okay, irrespective of the nature of the power, being it positive, being it even or odd. Now let me add this minus 2 to the power of 3. Okay, so if there's no bracket, it doesn't, this one doesn't affect anything because I'll just take minus 1 out. So 2 times 2 times 2, that will be 8, so minus 8. But the moment I put bracket here, this side will be minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2. Okay, so this side will plus, then we get minus 8. So let's understand that if there's bracket here, okay, we pick everything here, and what is here is the number of times that you go, 8. So minus 4 times minus 4, 8 times. Minus 7 times minus 7 times minus 7, 10 times. But because this side is even, your solution will be positive. So this one is even, your solution will be positive. This one is even, your solution will be positive. Now, there is no bracket here, and therefore, if this side is even and odd, you still get negative. So let's understand that. All right, so let's go back to this one. So this one doesn't change anything. So we can still say minus 1 out, okay? And 1 to the power of 18 will still get 1, so minus 1. But this side is odd, so it will be minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1, 5 times. So if there's bracket here, you can make good use of the odd and then the even. So this side is odd, so odd will get negative if there's bracket here. Okay, so let's conclude. So have minus a, okay, so if this side is even, okay, the answer will be plus minus a, odd, the answer will be negative. So we have this information, very powerful. So let's understand that. So even, you get that. But if this side is minus a and this side is even, you still get minus. If this side is minus a, odd, you still get minus. So if there is no bracket, be very careful, still negative answers. Okay, all right, so let's understand the following. All right, let's observe the following examples. Okay, so the first one has to do with negative 3 squared plus 2 squared. So let's be very careful here. So this side, we can still keep minus 1, okay, out, and this side will be 9. So that will be minus 9 plus 4. And the answer is minus 5. Okay. So this side is even, but there's no bracket here, so we still get negative. So that will be minus 1 plus 3. So this side will still be negative, minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 3, that will be 1. So this one will be minus 4. This one will still be there, times minus 5 times minus 1. So minus minus is plus, 4, 5, 20 times minus 1. That will be minus 20. All right. Now let's go ahead and then do some of the evaluations. Okay. All right. Let's observe this. Okay. Now we are to evaluate 2x minus y on z plus z plus 2y on x, where x is 2, y is 3, and z is 4. So this one is very simple. Just go ahead and then do substitution. X is 2, so where I see X, I'll just put 2 there. Same to 3, then 4. So Z, then Y. Okay, so we have 2 multiplying X 2 minus Y 3 on Z, but Z is 4 plus Z 4, Y 3, then X 2. So 2 to 4, so 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3 on 4, have 4 plus 2, 3, 6 on 2. So we have 1 over 4 plus 10 over 2. So 1 over 4 plus 10 on 2. So, yeah. And that will be 1 over 4 plus 5 over 1. LCM will be 4. 4 here 1 times 1. 4 here 1 here 4. 4, 5, 20. That will be 21 on 4, which is the same as 5 whole number, 1 on 4. So that's that. Okay. Now let's find the value of a cubed plus 2ab squared plus b cubed. Solution. So we have this, but a has been given and b 2. So let's go ahead. So a is 2. So that will be 2 cubed. 2 times a is 2. Then b is 1 minus 1 squared. Plus b still minus 1 cube. So look at the arrangements. So this side will be 8. So this side will be plus positive because it has bracket here. And this side is even. So positive 1. 2 to 4. So plus 4. This side is odd. So we'll still get negative. So minus 1. Okay. So we have 12 minus 1. Okay. All right. So that will be 11. So we have 11 here. Okay. All right. So let's look at the following. So let's start with a squared minus a minus ab. A is minus 3 and b is 5. Okay. So from here, a is a squared. So that will be minus 3 squared minus a is minus 3 minus a is minus 3 and b is 5. Okay. Remember this side is even and we have bracket here, so that will be 9 minus. So this side will be minus 3. So minus minus will be plus. So we have 3, 5, 15. So minus 3 plus 15, that will be 12. So we have 9 minus 12. Okay. That will be minus 3. Okay. Now go ahead and try this. Okay. So we have ut minus half at squared. So we just do the substitution. U is 2, t is 3, and a is minus 9.8. So you can use calculator to get the answer. All right. Subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right.